Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everyone. We are live here today on Trade with Wordy, and this is from I will be doing live sessions from now on my this channel, and of course I will be doing live trading whenever it's possible, and we will analyze daily different commodities, metals, oil, forex, crypto, especially BTC on this channel, and I want you to learn and earn and make a good living out of it. Okay, it's not a very bad job as it is like you know people think that the forex is like trading is like. Okay, my OBS is disconnected. It's reconnecting again. Maybe it's the internet. Reconnection successful. Okay, so where was I? Okay, let's analyze gold today. uh, Daily candle started bullish, started bearish, and went to low of 4745.492, and went high all the way up to 4951.018. Okay, so that's around 4900, and it's still 4950, and it's still above 4900. It means it can go up. If it remains here for a little bit longer, it will start going up, and tomorrow let me draw a Fibonacci chart on here. This swing high and this swing low. Some people do it at the closing, but it's good to go all the way down here. Okay, and you see it's around between 38 and 50% of Fibonacci levels. So it means if it remains here around 4920 to 4880, if it remains here, it may go up tomorrow. Tomorrow the gold will be bullish. It's just a prediction, but it will happen, I think so. Okay, now let's go to the 4 hour chart. Okay, so how I analyze here, like for example, if you want to trade here at this level, you open the chart and you see your gold, it's like bullish, and I'm gonna buy. Okay, no, you should wait a little bit and then look here what is happening. This is a doji candle, this is indecision, market is still in indecision, and this is also a doji candle. It's ranging in a very uh, like close range. It's a very close range. Price is not moving too much up and price is not going too much down. It's like this is the range, that price is moving in right now. Like if I draw the lines here, you can see that price is doing it. So if you want to trade in these levels, what you can do is you move to the 15-minute chart and you see a little bit of zigzag here. Okay, it's not recommended trading these because price is very choppy. It can, like, it's not certain that it's gonna go down and it's not certain that it's gonna go up. But if you still want to take a risk, move to lower time frames, and these will be a little bit familiar to you. For example, if you start here, you see here it's swing high, and price went down here, and it tapped into this fair value gap or this order block, breaker block, and then it went up and ranged a little bit and then went down and then tapped again here and then went up and then tapped here, came down, tapped here, and then went up, and this is above like resistance. So you can, you have the range. So it's possible that if it's going up, it's going to come down here. Okay, so we drawed like we drew the range, upper range and lower range. So what you can do is you can start from here and it can come down here, and if you go to the 1 minute time frame, it's clearer. If I zoom out a little bit, you see price is moving like this, and then ranged, and then went up, and then it's coming down. So because you see that it has made a lower low here, or and then lower high here, and then it's possible that price may go up, because I already told you that it's very risky. You're not always certain that if price went from up here it's going to go all the way up. No, it may range, and then like on the lower time frame it's not very certain, so it may range here for a little bit and then it may go up, or then it may go down. What you can do is like find the possibilities where you can, exactly tap in a trade. Although I'm not gonna go trading in this levels, because it's very risky and you may lose a lot of money trading these levels. Okay, now this was gold. Let's move on to Bitcoin. Okay, let's see the daily chart Bitcoin. I have marked this resistance. It has tapped this resistance and then it went up, and now it's ranging, and I think it's gonna come down, possibly, because if it remains here during the night on these levels around 77,000 to 78,000, if it remains here, then it may go down in the morning. So it's possible that BTC will be bearish tomorrow. Okay, now let's move on here. Again, I was going to tell you that how to trade these levels. If you move on to the 4-hour chart time frame, similar to gold, it's ranging in a very close range, well greater than gold's, but still it's a range. And if we move to the lower time frame, you can see a little bit of zigzag here, which you can tap for the possibility. And for a clearer picture, you may move to 15-minute time frame or 5-minute time frame, because there you will see a better picture of the zigzag, and you may get the opportunities from like where you can do the trade. For example, it has tapped into this resistance here, 1 2 3, and now this is the third one. So now it may retest it again, or then move up, because it's going on, unless it's a breakout. And if it's a breakout, then you may have to move to the upper time frame and see that if it is actually the breakout. It's 9 minutes left in 1 hour candle. So if it closes below this range, and it may retest in the next candle first and then move down a little bit, because if price is gonna go down, it will go up first and then go down. So you need to be careful on this. So for confirmation, like if you see this breakout and candle closes here in the upper time frame, in the higher time frame, and then you move to the lower time frame, you see here it's trying, well, it seems like a retest, but I think that it may not break. It may break or it may not break. Seems like it's going to break, but let's see. it's always unpredictable in this market. So that's how the BTC, it's still ranging, and it may be, I already told you, it may be bearish today and tomorrow. So okay, let's go to Euro USD. Okay, this is Euro USD Forex. You see it's on the daily candle, it's a ranging candle. Let's see here, it's if you know draw these lines here and make a range. So let's see, on 4 hour time frame, you see uh, price started here and then it went up and then it went down, and now it's in a close range. And if you see the 1 hour time frame, it's it started here and then went up a little bit and then went down, and now it's uh, like buyers are pushing up. But let's see how it happens. It's all technical. I'm not talking about fundamental right now. I'm just discussing the technicals, and of course, when you trade, you need to take into account the fundamentals too. Okay, now in the 15-minute time frame, you see the zigzag better, and it's possible that you can tap into like very uh, low scalp, like if you buy here and then you sell here, because it's order block and then it went down, made an order block here and then went up, tapped into this fair value gap. So you can like take very small opportunities here for trading in this close range, and I think it's better not to trade, but still if you are anxious and you still want to make some a little bit of money, because it's not very very close range, so you may not get a very good, like if you let's see, if you buy 0.02 of lot, let me just put a sell stop here. Okay, so let's see if we put a sell stop here, and it went all the way to 1.1789. If I make a profit here, 1.1789, and modify it, so it has, you see it's not a very big profit. Of course, if you have a greater capital, you can always change the lot size from 0.02 to like 8, 1, or whatever suitable to you, but still it's not very recommendable. Okay, now that was Euro USD, and as for tomorrow, giving the technicals, if the price ranges around here, I think it may still range tomorrow, because I don't think it's gonna go all the way down here or like here. It may range tomorrow, or maybe a little bit bullish, sorry, maybe a little bit bullish in the morning and then may go down. So let's see what happens. It's the technical, and I already told you, when you plan a trade, you should always take into account the fundamentals, especially for these kind of commodities and forex, uh, gold, forex, oil, stocks, and cryptos. I only do technical on cryptos, because it's very yeah, like you don't know when's gonna happen, what. So that's more like technical with crypto. So because news are always not that, the crypto's news are all like are not that you get on the TV or on the media, that something this is going to happen with crypto today. So although it's happening, like some governments and some organizations are preferring crypto very much. So maybe in like, but it's still very risky. Okay, now let's move on to USD JPY. If we move to the daily time frame, uh, I don't like my history showing here. I may had some trades here. I remember I did a sell on a daily high and I made some profit. I remember that, and I closed early because I knew it's not gonna go very down. So okay, let's see here on a daily candle. Price is bullish and it's going up. The candle opened. Let's see. It's not showing. What happened? Okay, price opened at 155.469. It went down to 155 and then went high to 156 and now it's at 155.858. So price is bullish and it may go up tomorrow. It is bullish tomorrow if you know buy right now, or maybe like some hours. Okay, my OBS just reconnecting and connecting again. I think there is problem with it. I may fix it later. Okay, 1 hour time frame. It's bullish here and then it started ranging. And I already told you, if you like caught this trade, okay, and then you are waiting, all right. But if you enter the see that this is ranging, you can always use my strategy, pull the two lines on the range and like this, and you can move to the lower time frame to see a better zigzag. It's going to go up and well it's it's down. Okay, you're not always certain with these kind of technicals, so I already told you it's very risky to trade these things. You always make a very small profit and you may caught up in on a bad side. Like if you planned for the buy side and it went on the like short side, so it's not very certain always in the lower time frame. So here on the 1 minute time frame you can see that it's ranging in between these lines. Okay, you can plan these trades based on this strategy, but it's not a very good strategy. I recommend that you take other things into account, but it's still you can make small profits with this if you be very careful. Okay, let's finish it here today. We'll start with daily analysis and do some live trading tomorrow, and let's see if I catch something big tomorrow. I usually do gold and BTC, so I think it's and sometime I try silver and US oil. You see it's going up, so it's just up or down, up or down. So it's not a very probability wise it's not very difficult game. It may go up and it may go down, that's it. So all you need to be clear that you can uh, make the right choice. Okay, take care and I'll see you tomorrow. I'll do it was a test live for today, and from tomorrow I will be live 8 p.m. Pakistani time, and also I will do some live trade if possible, if I get the setup. And okay, then take care. Bye bye.